How to fix echo microphone problem on PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix echo microphone on your PC. So all what you have to do is go to your PC. This is the home page. Now go down here on the search bar and search for audio. Now after you search for the audio, click on sound settings and it will take you here. Now all what you have to do is scroll down and you can choose what microphone or device you want from here. I have only this microphone, so it's working well. Microphone. Now go down here and click on troubleshoot. After you click on it, it will start detecting the problems that you have on your microphone, and if there is a way to make it good, it will be. And if it's not working for you, then the problem is from the microphone or from the place that you are recording in. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end.